Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel at Singer Hobby. Today we're going to share with you an equipment that we use extensively, especially during our Facebook Live and our YouTube videos. All the vloggers out here and videographers, you know that most important in the video is actually the audio, because that's where your listeners and your subscribers will tune in and listen to. I want to have a disclaimer, we're not an expert in this field, and I wouldn't say that our search has been very extensive. However, we came to this equipment that is very valuable for money and is something that we are happy to share with everyone here. Alright, so it is none other than the Pixel Vocal Air. Now currently I'm hooked up to the Vocal Air, and that comes with two packages. The other one we have is the Vocal Air 2. Now the difference between these two is that the Vocal Air comes with one wireless mic to one wireless receiver that is hooked on to the camera right now. The Vocal Air 2 comes with two wireless microphones and one wireless receiver. Now, in terms of specification by numbers, the range of the Vocal Air is 70 meters. The operating time is 6 hours. Okay? The Vocal Air 2 has a range of 50 meters and operating time up to 4 hours. So there's a little bit of compromise in terms of the range and the duration. But even if you're running an event, 4 hours is really plenty. For all of you out there who find that this information is useful, please continue to share our videos, and if you like what we do, become our subscriber, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and we will help you or assist you in the further comment. Without further ado, I'm going to open this up and show you what are the contents within the Vocal Air 2. Vocal 2 comes with a very nice case, especially when we are traveling. You know, everything fits in here. It's well protected. We have the instructional manual, microphones, and then the receiver. Alright, it has the horseshoe mount, phone mount, cables that comes with it. So this one, it says here, camera cable. And the other one is the phone cable. This is the omnidirectional clip-on mic. Of course, because we have two wireless mic systems. Right, last but not least is the cable for one USB charges all three. Right, 1 to 3 Type C. Okay, so for the receiver and the two wireless mic all together charged at one. We have the mics, the wireless mic system. This is the system where we clip on to either the host or the interviewee, and by itself there is already a built-in microphone, and if you want to get it up close like what I have on me right now, then you can plug in the clip-on mics. Okay, so next we're going to also show you how to mount this onto a camera. So with the horseshoe mount, it goes like this. There's a clip here, and then we slide it in to the clip. That's it. We release the horseshoe, and then we get the camera and we tighten it. So we face the output sockets to where my mic input to the camera is, and then we pick up the cable. Make sure it is the camera cable. We plug it in here and into this. Done. Now we're going to mount it on the phone. We will still use the horseshoe, clip it on like this. And then it comes with this clip that we can actually mount it either on a tripod, right, or a monopod. We can mount it from here or from below. And this is where the horseshoe mount comes in, where we can plug it in. Okay, and we're done. Right, so same thing, we pick up the correct cable. In this case, is the phone cable. The phone cable plugs in here. Alright, and now, if the phone has a 3.5, it can go into that 3.5 simply. And if it's like this, we will need an adapter, a lightning to a audio 3.5. So that, or even a Type C for Android systems, you can use it. Okay, so now we're going to be talking about the wireless mic itself. Now we're going to be looking at the power button. It's on this side. As I press and hold, it turns on. Okay, as you can see, now the power button also acts as a mute button. If I were to press it very quickly and let go, you will see on display there is the mute. So nothing gets through. Now I unmute it, again a quick depress and let go. And then it's working again. So this is the wireless mic. Next, we'll be talking about the setting button. Now with the setting button, when we depress it and let go, you will see that the blinking channel will come up. And what it does is that this is to set up the wireless microphone according to the different channels that's available. On Vocal Air 2, you will receive 2 wireless microphones. This is important to set up the wireless microphone on 2 separate channels. In other words, one of the wireless microphone will be set up on channel 1. The other one will have to be set up on another channel, but not one. In other words, it can be channel 3 or channel 5. Alright, so that's where the setting button comes in to be useful to set the channels. Next is the plus and minus button below. Now this plus and minus button affects the number here that shows a dB. Now this dB is the gain of the wireless microphone. Now, if we have the microphone set up very close to the voice, it can become too harsh. And to overcome this, we can reduce the gain of the wireless microphone. Right? So that's the use of the plus and minus button below the wireless microphone. Now let's test the processed and unprocessed voice that's being recorded from the Vocal Air. I'm going to read out the first page of the user guide. User guide, Professional Wireless Film and Television Recording Microphone Series. Now we will let you hear the processed version of it. User guide, Professional Wireless Film and Television Recording Microphone Series. Hi, so we are here right now in the outdoors where we will test out the range of the Vocal Air and the Vocal Air 2. Alright, so for the Vocal Air 2 right now, I'm holding on to the wireless microphone, one set, and we will walk a distance from the receiver right now. Right now, I'm probably about 2 meters from the receiver. I'm going to take probably about 40 to 50 paces. I will probably get a signal if it breaks up or it is still good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing. Okay, I'll bring it up. So I'll bring it up. It seems like the range is better as I hold it up. Okay, so I don't clip it below. I'm pushing the limit of the transmission. Okay, low my dB. Right now it's 12. It's 10 dB. I'm going to come back. Okay, I'm going to count my steps again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 18, 19, 20. That is the distance tested in this area where we get about 20 meters range from the receiver. Okay, which is not too bad actually with a wireless system that goes up to 20 meters in any live or any vlogging or YouTube. That should be more than enough. Alright, so what we've learned in this test is that the range within 20 meters is good, and we need to probably locate the mic above where our chest level is to get a better range. Earlier on, I clipped it on my pocket and the range drops maybe in a range of about 15 meters, 1.5. So that's what we've learned. And of course, this environment right now has a lot of wind. We've got some construction going on, and we have where we are, it's full of Wi-Fi. So that could also affect the range that we get at this location. So now I'm going to introduce my assistant, who's going to be holding on to the second set of the wireless microphone, and we will also test out the range of both sets transmitting together. So I'm transmitting on channel 3 and she's going to be on channel 5.
I'm on channel 5 right now.
Okay, so let's go. Let's take about 18 paces because we are 2 meters. Right, that's about as far as we can go.
I hope you can hear us
I
from
hope-
this distance.
I hope so too. Yes. So this is also probably doing an interview. I'm a host and my guest is beside me. For whatever reason, the camera has to be so far away from me.
Yes.
Right, so this will be a test of that range. We've come to the end of the review of Vocal Air 2. There are a few things that we found out as we tested it out. First of all is environment that we are in. So in this current environment where it's windy and we've got other factors that is in play, a dead cat over the microphone, it will cut off the noise. Second is the dB settings on the transmitter or on the wireless mic. If it's too close to the mouth, then we must be mindful to reduce the dB, and that will reduce the harshness that's being recorded on the video. Last but not least is the height of the transmitter of the wireless microphone. Now, if we are that close right now, as you see, we're about 2 meters from the receiver, the height is not an issue. But if you were to try and push the distance between the transmitter and the receiver, then you might want to bring this transmitter higher. And we found that the best range that we can get from transmitter and the receiver is about the same height as where the receiver is. Alright, so thank you for watching, and if you have any questions and any comments, feel free to pen it down below in our comment section and we will address them. Some of you will probably be asking, where can we find this? We will include the product link in the comment down below, and if you're interested, feel free to reach out to us. We will be more than happy to assist you. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to share, like or subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.